Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. So in this video, we're going to talk about a product that is going to help you build your credit. It also will help you pay off your credit cards on time and quicker than you usually would if you were trying to manage all of your credit cards yourself. This is great for people who have more than 3 credit cards that they're trying to manage. They have 3 different products built into one. So we're going to talk about all of the different products in this particular app. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I release new videos. I do talk about credit on personal credit and the business credit side, as well as business grants, all types of funding for businesses. So make sure that you subscribe, hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I release new videos. And also feel free to comment down below if you have any questions about this video or about this particular app that I'm going to talk about in this video. So we're not going to spend a lot of time on this particular video because it is straightforward. This is an app called Bright Money. This particular app is going to help you consolidate your credit card debt as well as build credit. They have a credit builder account. They also have a product that's going to also help you save your money for different occasions. It's really cool. So first product that they have is the line of credit that goes up to $8,000, and this can help you consolidate all of your credit card balances and pay off all of your credit cards at once. They have low APRs on that. It is an instant approval if you get an offer, and also you can get an increase later on down the line. So how it works is you're going to connect your credit card account. So if you have like Capital One, Chase, Discover, you're going to connect those accounts to the application. It's going to show you all of your balances on each credit card, and you're going to be able to go through and pay all of those credit cards with just one app. Matter of fact, the app automatically pays the credit cards for you when they are due so that you are not late and you're not incurring any interest on your credit card. So it helps you save money. Also, they will offer you, after a while, after they see how you're paying off of your current credit card balances, they will offer you a line of credit, again, to help you pay off those balances if you would like to consolidate all of those credit card balances into one. They also have a credit builder account where they'll lend you a small amount of money and you'll have to pay that back, and they will report to the credit bureaus to help you build your credit. And that can help you boost your credit up to 60 points with just that part of the app alone. And then they also have a automatic savings plan where you can connect your bank accounts to the application, where they will help you save for different occasions, like a rainy day fund, or you could save for a wedding or a trip coming up. It'll automatically help you save money and put it into your Bright Money account. So it helps you build your savings account a lot quicker. You don't have to think about transferring money to a savings account. It does it automatically for you. And also there will be a link down in the description if you want to download this particular app and get started with the Bright Money app. Also, there is a subscription fee for this particular app. It is $10 per month. So you're pretty much getting like 3 apps in one, I believe 3 or 4 types of apps in one for just less than $10 a month. And it helps you become debt free. So it's a really good financial management application. They do have good reviews with Trustpilot as well as the BBB. So you don't have to worry about anything when it comes to whether this works or not. I actually have been using this particular account since April, so I know that it works. You can also see some of the testimonials down here below. They do offer email and chat support to help you out if you have any questions. So this is a really good application if you are interested in trying to consolidate your debt, trying to build your credit as well. Make sure that you download this particular application. Again, link will be down in the description. If you have any questions, comment down below. That's pretty much it for this video.